those of you who have been hunting for the easiest way to get into side hustles, I am calling you out. I want you to start up a side hustle. There will be timestamps in the video so you can revisit the side hustle that interests you the most once you have seen all the options. Side hustle number 1. So this is a survey site, but before you dismiss it, let me tell you why it is here in this list. I think it is probably the easiest and possibly fastest way into a side hustle. The surveys themselves are usually very short and are often just checking off like a multiple choice survey. The sign up is quick and doesn't require much from you either. You get your payments pretty quickly, and once you've gotten at least £5 in rewards, then you can cash it out straight into your account with no fees. So if you sit by your computer for long periods of time and can spare 5 minutes here and there, you could actually be pretty efficient with your time on the site and net more money. They will usually give an estimated time to complete and calculate the equivalent hourly wage for you. In summary, there are better paying options out there, but this is probably the easiest and least intimidating way into the world of side hustles and making extra money. Side hustle number 2 is user testing. The money here is much better, going up to $120 for some of the surveys. Looking right now, I have over 50 surveys listed. You answer a couple of questions, and that takes about 5 seconds to see if you're the market audience they are looking for. If you are, you get to take the survey and get paid. Now, in comparison to Prolific, user testing is a little more demanding. The higher paying surveys out there are scheduled live video conference calls that you join. This means there is a bit more setup involved, as you need a way of capturing video and audio, though a lot of these allow you to use your phone, so it's not that difficult. Then there is just the intimidating factor of putting yourself out there. If you aren't put off by the idea of being on a video explaining your thoughts about something, user testing is definitely a good option for you to look into. So side hustle number 3 is tutoring. You do not have to be a teacher or have any specific qualifications to be a tutor. All you need is a skill set or knowledge in an area that others want to learn. So if you speak another language, that is a very easy way to get into online tutoring. I have a video that goes through 15 different ways of making money online, and I will link it up here. What can you teach? Well, if we take a look at tutorful.co.uk as an example, here is a list of subjects they offer on their service. Now, if we pick something at random, let's say you know how to play the guitar. So looking here, there are plenty at around the £30 per hour mark, and some at nearly £50. Now, I can't play the guitar and I never have looked into lessons, so I don't know if this is good money or not, but these tutors definitely have students and people willing to pay. There will be a fee taken by the site, and sometimes you have to provide a free first class, but you will need to check the specifics of the site that you decide to use. There are lots of services out there that you can just sign up to and set your own rates and assign the hours that you're available for people to book your time. As you get clients and your ratings and reviews get stronger, you will be able to charge more. So unlike things like surveys, this is a side hustle that can become more lucrative as time goes on. I personally have never used Tutorful. I just selected them as an example because they offered a range of services that demonstrate my point that most people have something they could offer to others. You've probably noticed that I have picked a kind of easy, medium and hard scale of options there. The world of side hustles has loads of options, and with most of them you need to put the work in, at least at first, to get any decent levels of money. Or you can just dive into the easy ones for a little top up here and there. If you want to see more ways to make money online, then check out this video. Let me know in the comments if you have started your first side hustle, and what is it? Is it something that I've listed here? Don't forget to subscribe to see more from this channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!